Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Uh, so a few weeks ago, maybe even a few months ago, the time flies really quickly, I did a summary video about infantryman's, the Imperial Infantryman's handbook. And soon after, when I finished the video, had it ready, the next weekend, Games Workshop released the 2022 version. So yeah, that video is obsolete now. So I will be making an, let's say, first look on first impressions about the new version in this video. But I got also a few other things that I got with this book. So let me show you in this video also those. But I will mainly focus on the comparisons. So let's see what is new from the previous version. So, but firstly, let's see what I got. So it was the Black Library 2022 celebration. So I got a free book. They are short stories, or maybe part of the stories here from Horus Heresy and the Serpent, and Dance by Mike Brooks, The Shards of Scars by Mark Collins, and from Warhammer Crime we have No Use for Godman by Haley, and from Warhammer Horror. This is these two are new series basically. We have The Reaper's Gift by Ray Crowley, and also one story from Warhammer Age of Sigmar, The Wolf and the Red by C.L. Warner. So let's see inside. We have Gilliman, of course. Nice. Yes, he's sitting patiently on a shelf for the couple of I would say 3, maybe 4 years, and he's waiting on to be built. And yeah, but who knows, maybe one day I will come to complete that miniature. Also a few information about the book series they have. Okay, also I got Ultramarines Marine Skalgar comic book. This is the complete story. They had issues. The run was I don't know how many issues, but then they released the full book. So I still had not time to check it out. But yeah, this is really nice that they also making comics. It's by Marvel. So then I got this little trinket. So this is basically a purity seal, Aquila styled one. So let me open it. Let me show it to you. So purity seal is basically in the world they are putting these wax type of stamps on the armor, power armor, to signify to maybe when they're taking oaths and so on. And we have 2 pins. This is how it's supposed to be right there, and then we have the Emperor knows, the Emperor is watching, the Emperor protects, of course. So very nice, a few things. And now let's see the book. So like all previous versions, this will come really nicely protected and wrapped. These are faux leather style soft covers. So let's open it up. information here if you like to know. This is a Black Library publication. Did cost 25 euros or 20 UK pounds, 30 US dollars, and they were printed in China, and there is a product code if you're interested. But let me tell you that these are always made with a certain amount of pieces produced, and they are available for a few days, sometimes only a few hours, then they are sold out. So if you really want to get one, probably the best, or should I say the only chance is to go on eBay and search on them, because usually lots of people are buying them and reselling them. So yeah, even if when there was the opportunity to buy them directly from Games Workshop, you could buy only one in one order. So if you would like to have more, you probably have to do multiple orders, but then of course they could maybe see them and cancel them. I don't know what's going on, but basically they are saying one per user. Okay, so let's see the book itself. So we have a nice Aquila embossed on the top, the Imperial Handbook's primer, and let me take out the previous version so that I can show you the differences, of course. So we have a different font. I would like to see them with the same so white or off-white creamy color, but they did it only with embossing. Also the front, we have the Imperial Infantryman's Handbook, different style. And for those of you who are seeing this book for the first time, so basically you have the Imperial Munitorum manual and the Imperial Infantryman's Uplifting primer. So these are combined books together, because back in the days there were two separate books. If you would like to see the different iterations, then check out my previous video. So this is the first part, is the Imperial Military Manual. Let's see how it was in the previous version. Yeah, it's the same. Let's see, the preface looks the same. So let's see, we have first publishing, the first was publishing in 2012. Yeah, 2012. For some reason, this edition's published in Great Britain in 2021. And I'm fairly sure this was released 2022. So the previous version was in 2020. So maybe, I'm guessing or speculating, they had some problems with the distribution chain like everybody else had. And maybe this was supposed to be released in 21. But then everything got hold up and they had some problems, and then released in 2022. So really interesting to see that there, because if these were production and were held up, there will be no possible way to change them, because they are printed in large quantities. So I'm speculating somewhere around 2,500 pieces, like I usually do with these limited editions. Maybe more, who knows. Okay, so basically I will not go through every single page. If you would like to see that, I have, if I'm not mistaken, not this one, but the previous one, the green one, I have shown a lot of pages, but let's see the total amount of pages before the benedictions of the emperor. So we have here, so look to the emperor and he will provide. Of course. And we have 177 pages on the new one. And we have 177 on the previous one. So basically, this is a reprint by now. I will check out also the Benedictions if we have the same last pages right there. It should look the same, yes. So, Litany of Vacuum, Litany against the Mutant, Prayer of Relief from the Torment, yes, they look the same. Litanies of Litany to Staunch, Wound, yes, they look the same. So, let's see the backside, of course. We have two chainswords. Everybody loves the chainsword. It's one of the most epic weapons in sci-fi history, in my opinion, like this, like the lightsaber from Star Wars. So we have a warning: this document does not fall in many hands. Failure to enclose. Okay. So this is the same, but in a larger font, so that if you never lose this book, basically. So yeah, you have a really nice, beautiful, looks like kind of lion, mechanized or augmented with all these hardware. And we have two less guns, and then in background are the two chain swords. Like there are the handles and the top part. Yeah, so the current version, the red book, and I see really a nice, what I would say, continuation, because the newest version before, let me bring it out. So before they had the smaller books. Was this in 2018 or 19? Let me check really quickly. 19, yes. So in 2019, then they went with 2020, 2021. So if I'm correct, then there should be another book this year, but probably they will push it to the next year. And let's hope it is blue, or yeah, blue will look really nice. Okay, so let me also read you a few key features which is described on the web page. So this is a humorous Astra Militarum reference book in the universe guide to survive and thrive in the Imperial Guard, written by Graham McNeil, of course. So yeah, if you are a Guard or Astra Militarum player, then this is probably a must-have for you to have on your shelf, because it will depict everything you have to know as a guardsman or basic infantry, of course. With depictions of weapons and company structure. Right. So really nice. Not to ramble on too much, because I would like to thank you for watching. So if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my other hobbies, like for example, Warhammer. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.